gatagati. Leah Wanja ni mutumia gatagati ka aingi aria merutagira hari kuheana uteithio kuri atumia aria matari na uhoti wa kugia ciana na njira ya kumakuira nda, na ni aratariria uria akoretwo akirutira gukuira nda mwari wa ithe munini na uria utari na uhoti wa kugia ciana ta uria mumbi wa munyiri arakorwo agitutariria thiini wa riboti itu ya mwanya ya muthenya wa umuthi.
Leah Wanja ni mutumia wa miaka 30 na uria ni munene wa kambuni ya uthondeki wa nguo iria athondekire miaka 4 mihituku. Mwaka-ini wa 2021 Wanja ni ageire na giathi na mwari wa ithe uria wokite na muthuri wake. Andu aya ni mamuririe kiuria hihi kingiari na uritu hari Wanja gucokia. Andu aya ri makiuria Wanja kana ni egwitikira kumaciarira mwana ni tondu mwari wa ithe ndari na uhoti wa kugia mwana. Kumana na kiuria giki Wanja agitukanirwo na akimahoya mamuhe kahinda ka miaka 2 ecirie uhoro uyu.
My name is Leah Wanja, born and raised in Nakuru. I'm 30 years old and I do design by profession. I got inspired by a family friend who didn't get a kid. Me, I'm a mother. I have a 9-year-old son, and it was a very close family friend, and she was very desperate, getting to age day by day, years passed on, and she's to almost 40 years old and above, and shouldn't get a kid. But now, by the time she was requesting us as a family, so she came to our family like family friend because I'd just given birth and she wanted my baby. She came and talked to my mom because me, I was young. I gave birth at 21 years. And when I gave birth, of course, I was still a young girl. I left my baby with my mom. And when I was in Nairobi hustling, my mom gave me that weird call and told me, mtoto ako sawa lakini neza taka upatane na mtu muongee.
Riu Wanja ni ahete andu aya mwihoko na njira ya kumerera kumaciarira mwana na kuingira gikundi-ini kia atumia aria merutagira kugira aru nao aria matari na uhoti wa kugia ciana. Atumia ta Wanja marihagia ciringi milioni 2 o rita ria kugia mwana.
Really concerned about women in the society, more especially mwanamke mwenye hawezi kupata mtoto. Because for us, it's very easy, unaweza pata tu mtoto anytime, and there's someone else out there who is struggling, and we wouldn't want to be like ati mtu anazeeka na hana mtoto. So me, I'm really concerned, especially for the women who don't have kids out here, and they really want to have their own kids. I'm really concerned. I wouldn't mind helping.
Dagitari wa mirimo ya atumia thibitari-ini wa Nekta kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, Dagitari Anondi ni atariirie mutaratara uyu wa ukuaniri wa nda wambagiriria na kurutwa kwa itumbi ria uciari kuma kwi mutumia uyu uria utari na uhoti wa gukua nda rigatwarwo thiini wa ceceni ya githimiro niyo Rabu rigaciarithanio na mbegu ya muthuri wake na muico embryo ikahagikwo thiini wa nda ya uria uramakuira mwana.
To do is we take a mature egg out of the body through a process, and we also get a mature sperm out of the man, and then mix them. The embryo starts developing, further developing embryo into the uterus so that it develops. So therefore, those who are eligible for IVF basically are those people with issues with their tubes. The tubes are blocked.
Wakiri Dorcas Nyambura nugite hindi ya gutwithania cira ta uyu magoti-ini ni kugiaga na ngucanio gatagatĩ ka miena ĩno ĩrĩ ni anu ukwandĩkithio ri muciari wa mwana na uguo akahe thirikari ĩkĩra ĩno.
So it has been and then when you go to enforce a contract in court, largely very unregulated, very unfair for the community and parents.
Ndimo ya uciari kaunti-ini ya Nakuru nao gite watho ubatie gutariria ukuaria ni ubatie gukorwo ni wa kwirutira ta mundu kiumbe no ti biashara mukorwo na mwana matikanekwo king'ang'a-ini.
So I believe that it's good that in such circumstances, as long as people are willing, as long as it's consensual, people give their consent, people agree, and they are willing to sign as per the legalities of having it done. For me, I think it's something that we can still appreciate.
Nene wake muthikabu wa Gathoreki ya Holy Ghost Spirit mwena wa Girigiri Clement Karathi nĩ okereire mũtaratara ũyũ na kĩrĩa arauga nĩ wagarari wa ihoto cia ciana na ti mwandĩke thĩinĩ wa buku theru. Kugia ũyũ nĩ ũnyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ Sheikh wa mũthigiti wa Imam Gibe Abdul kũrĩa augĩte ũũ nĩ mũgarũ na wĩtĩkio wa Gĩithĩramu.
It is immoral. It is a sin. For the same reasons which led one to reject artificial fertilization. It is contrary to the unity of marriage.
Surrogacy inakata.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, Mũmbi wa